Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create QR code for any website on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create QR code, right click on your favorite web page. Now click on create QR code for this page. QR code already been generated for this web page. Now I'm going to check whether this QR code is working or not. On search bar of your Android phone, type QR code. Look, this is the scan QR code. Click on it. This is scan QR code. Open scan QR code. Now just scan the QR code. Look, the QR code is working properly and the web page is open on my Android phone. If you wish, you can download your QR code. Click on download. Look, the QR code is downloaded. I'm going to open the QR code. And this is the QR code. And now I'm going to open it. Click on open. Look, this is the QR code of my selected web page. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.